What's good, YouTube? This is Trigga Entertainment, and today I'm going to show you how to put your own graphic pictures on your own t-shirt. And the items that I have over here, well, it shouldn't be a problem with you doing with your own safety, so let's get started on it. Okay, so first and foremost, what you want to do is have your favorite t-shirt ready of what you want to put on it. Then you want to go ahead and get the saran wrap ready for it also. And then after that, you want to go ahead and get the parchment paper ready, so to lay it flat down on the picture. And then you want to have your iron along with your printer. The reason why I chose Nas and Jay-Z, because not only have they made an inspiration to my life as far as making great music, but they also have ambition for money. So yeah, I feel like this process will come out real great. So first and foremost, what you want to do is lay the paper down on saran wrap face flat, and be sure to wrap the saran wrap around it and make sure there are no creases or no bubbles coming from the saran wrap, because you want to make sure when you iron it that nothing comes out or spread out. Yep, straight like that. And then you want to turn it over. Okay, and then this is how it should look after. Just like that. No creases, no nothing. So then you want to get your parchment paper and put that down and lay it flat down and make sure that it's ready to iron over, because this will really make the plastic stick to the cotton. So after that, you want to get your iron in, then you want to iron it down. This process should take like 5 minutes, so I advise you to put your time on for 5 minutes, but be sure to watch over your iron as you're ironing. But as the process goes, it's going to come out real nice. You just got to stay focused and do what you have to do. Alright, so I'm right here to show you the finished product, and this is how it would come out. Look at that. Perfect. Straight like that. Yeah. No creases, no nothing. That don't look like it's coming out. Alright guys, this method should be helpful towards y'all, and hopefully when y'all watch it, that it won't come out, and it'll be sure to stay in right. Y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and best believe more content coming. So yeah, y'all be safe and blessed, and y'all hold it up out there.